Will I fit? Well, there's a question about will Super Duty trucks fit in a no-touch car wash? So I'm at the car wash, and as you can see, it says 7 feet 6 inches clearance, and this truck is 82 inches, I think. So it's like 6'8", and it has a sign up there. I don't know if you can see it, but it says oversized mirrors. Of course, no oversized mirrors. Of course, you're gonna have to fold them in, and nothing over 22 feet long. And this truck is 20 feet long. So let's give it a try. It's always been a question, and this is a stock 2025 Ford F350. All right, so let's see. So I want to get the deluxe wash. Yeah, I don't see no receipt below. Okay. All right, let's try it. Here we go. Got my mirrors in. Gonna go real slow. For the underbody. It's gonna be close. All right, let's see what happens. Here it comes. I was always leery about if I was gonna make it in here or not. Okay, it's gone around. It's gone around the front. Let's see if it makes the back. It made it. So yes, it does fit in here. For anybody wondering. It does fit in a no-touch car wash. This one anyway. 7'6" clearance, 22 feet long clearance. So this is 20 foot. So you got to have your mirrors folded in. So if anybody is wondering, it does fit in a no-touch car wash. Okay, I wanted to pop in here and just mention this. When you use a touchless car wash, it doesn't really get it all nice and shiny that well. These touchless car washes are great to, like in the wintertime, to rinse the salt off your car or rinse the mud off your car, your truck, or whatever like that. It is not the best to get it all, shiny and stuff. It's just a quick rinse and wash to get most of the dirt and also to spray off your undercarriage. So let me just show you my truck, because I don't know if you can really see, but it still has a film on it, and it's not that shiny. So like I said, it's just to rinse off to get the majority of the dirt and grime off your vehicle. It's not going to be a professional clean. All right. The best thing is to do, hand cleaning, hand washing, and put some wax on. So at some point, I'm going to have to do a good home washing and waxing of the truck. Do it at home, hand by hand. So I just wanted to pop in here and tell you, it's great for just to rinse the stuff off your car or truck, but it's not going to be a professional, shiny polish, clean and polish of your vehicle. Okay, back to the program. Well, I'm gonna let this do its thing. So if you're interested in my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. Could always use some new subscribers. Trying to get, monetized here so I can make a couple bucks. Sorry for the noise. It's doing the pressure wash now. Can you hear that? It's working. There it goes again. So the only thing when my mirror's folded in here, I won't be able to clean the inside. At least the outside will be clean. But so for those of you that always wondered, it will. Just check to make sure that whatever car wash you're going to go use, that it does fit. But I think pretty much most of them are like this size, so you should be good with the stock setup. Anyway, quick video. Always wanted to do it. Check it out since I got this truck and I finally had the opportunity to do it. So if you're interested in more of my videos, check out the next one up here, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.